A book discussion event on Umar Khalid and his world scheduled in Bengaluru has sparked political controversy with the BJP demanding its cancellation. The event is set to take place on April 28 at 6 p.m. at the Bangalore International Centre in Domlur and is being organized by the All Lawyers Association for Justice, the People's Union for Civil Liberties and Bahutva Karnataka. The editors of the book, Anirban Bhattacharya, Banajyotsna Lahiri and Shuddhamrita Sengupta are expected to read excerpts from the anthology, followed by a panel discussion featuring historians Janaki, Nair and Ramachandra, Guha, along with actor and public intellectual Prakash Raj. The session will be moderated by Arvind Narain of PUCL. The book focuses on activist Umar Khalid, who has been jailed without trial for more than 2000 days after being arrested in September 2020 under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in connection with the 2020 Northeast Delhi riots. The controversy intensified after graffiti supporting Umar Khalid appeared in Bengaluru's Gandhinagar area. Police quickly covered the graffiti with paint. Meanwhile, BJP MP PC Mohan submitted a memorandum to the Bengaluru Police Commissioner urging authorities to stop the event. He described Umar Khalid as anti-national and said that any form of glorification of him should not be allowed. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.